Squeezing and crushing action verbs.
Knead. To massage or fold a soft substance, like dough, with the hands. You need to knead the dough for 10 minutes. She kneaded her sore muscles. Squish. To squeeze something soft or wet, often making a sound. The mud squished between my toes. Don't squish the berries in your bag. Tamp. To pack or crush something down by tapping it repeatedly. Tamp the coffee grounds into the filter. He tamped down the soil around the plant. Compress. To press things together to make them smaller or flatter. Compress the cardboard boxes for recycling. Roll and compress a shirt for packing. Clench. To squeeze your own muscles or body parts tightly together. He clenched his fists in anger. Stop clenching your jaw while you sleep. Wring. To twist and squeeze something to force liquid out of it. Wring out the wet towel before hanging it. He wrung his hands in worry. Mangle. To crush or squeeze something so hard it becomes deformed or ruined. The laundry machine mangled my favorite shirt. The car was mangled in the wreck. Squash. To crush something flat, often making it unusable. I accidentally squashed my sandwich. Don't squash that bug. Muffle. To squeeze or cover something to deaden its sound. She used a pillow to muffle her cries. The thick rug muffles the sound of footsteps. Mash. To crush something into a soft, uniform mass. I love to mash potatoes with butter. He mashed the banana for the baby. Press. To apply steady force against something. Press the button to start. She pressed the flowers between book pages. Cram. To squeeze many things into a very small space. I had to cram all my clothes into one suitcase. Stop cramming food into your mouth. Grind. To crush something by rubbing it. I like to grind my own coffee beans. Stop grinding your teeth. Smash. To break or crush something violently. He smashed the vase against the wall. The wave smashed the boat to pieces. Trample. To crush something by stepping on. The flowers were trampled by the crowd. Don't trample the grass. Mince. To crush or cut something into very tiny, fine pieces. The chef used a sharp knife to mince the garlic into tiny bits. Mince 2 pounds of chicken finely. Stamp. To bring your foot down heavily to crush something. He stamped on the spider. She stamped her foot in frustration. Strangle. To kill or stop the growth of something by squeezing. The weeds are strangling the roses. High taxes can strangle small businesses. Exert. To apply physical pressure or force. You must exert pressure on the wound. He exerted all his strength to move the rock. Wad. To squeeze a soft material into a small, tight ball. He wadded up the napkin. She wadded some paper to plug the hole. Express. To squeeze liquid or air out of something. The nurse had to express the fluid from the cyst. She expressed the juice from the lemon. Twist. To turn and squeeze at the same time. Twist the cap to open it. He twisted the wire into a loop. Crimp. To squeeze or press something into small folds or ridges. Crimp the edges of the pie crust. He used pliers to crimp the wire. Squelch. To crush something wet so it makes a sucking sound. His boots squelched through the marsh. She squelched the mud between her fingers. Mill. To crush grain or metal into smaller pieces using a machine. The wheat is milled into flour. The factory mills steel parts. Pulverize. To crush something into a very fine powder or dust. The blender will pulverize the ice. The heavy rocks were pulverized into sand. Squeeze. To press or hold something tightly. She squeezed the orange to get juice. She squeezed the stress ball in his hand. Crush. To press something so hard that it breaks, becomes flat, or turns into small pieces. He crushed the can with his boot. The bad news crushed his spirit.